metswalle. Re le amohela mona inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang metswalle.
Nna lebitso la ka ke Bonolo. Enwa ke Baobab. Ebile re na le motswalle wa rona ya moholo, Old Baobab.
Baobab.
Hantle haholo Baobab. Ha re dumediseng Old Baobab kaofela ha rona. Dumela Old Baobab. Jwale he, ke nako ya hore re tsokotse mmele ya rona.
Ke a tseba hore ke nako efe eo.
Ana le a tseba hore ke nako ya eng metswalle? Oh, nna wa tseba hore metswalle ya rona e reng?
E reng metswalle ya rona?
Ba re ke nako ya ho bina pina.
Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka, ke nako ya ho bina.
Ha re bineng he metswalle.
Let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Tumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Say how's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen. Locha, Botani, rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back, high five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. We say how's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen and Kunjani. Locha, Botani, rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back, high five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng.
How? Ya seke ya nthabisa pina ya rona.
E dula e nthabisa mehlaena.
Wena ke a tseba hore ho bineng o kgeleke.
Haohle ke leboha Nolo.
Ke bua ntho e ke e tsebang mokgotsi.
Hangata ke batla ho ithuta dipina tse ntjha, empa ho thata.
Jwang jwale Baobab? Ho bobebe hampe ho ithuta pina.
Ho bobebe ha o tseba mantswe a teng.
A ke re ha o sa tsebe o tla bala bukeng.
Empa ha ke tsebe ho bala hantle.
Oh, jwale ke a bona hore bothata bo hokae Baobab.
Eya.
Baobab, ke teng. Ke tla o thusa ha o sa kgone ho bala ntho e ngwetsweng.
Empa ka nako e nngwe ha oyo.
Ke a hlalohanya mokgotsi wa ka.
Jwale o ka nthuta ho bala?
Metswalle, ana le lona le tseba ho bala? Oh, le tseba hanyane. Le se tshwenye, re tla ithuta tsatsing lena.
Jwale re qala ho kae?
Ha, tjo. Ka nnete o batla ho bala ka pele Baobab.
Eya.
O qala pele ka ho ithuta di-alphabet tsa hao. A ke re wa di tseba?
Ke tseba tse mmalwa.
Ke dife tseo o di tsebang?
A, B, le D.
Tsona o di bua hantle Baobab.
Ke kgona ho di bua kaofela. Empa ha di ngotswe fatshe, atjhe, ha ke tsebe hore efe ke efe.
Ho lokile. Njwetse hore A e ngolwa jwang?
Ke tseba hore ke sekele le mola ka thoko.
O nepile baby Pep. Ntjwetse ka B.
Yona o qala ka mola o motelele. Ho be ho tla sekele fatshe thoko ho yona.
Atjhe motswalle, wa di tseba ntho tsa hao.
Jwale o tla nthusa ka tse ding.
Ha ona bothata motswalle.
Nka thaba haholo.
Ha re lo utlwa hore nna metswalle ya rona e tseba di-alphabet tsa bona na.
Ho lokile. My name is Tia. H for apple. Hello, my name is Emma. B for banana.
Re a leboha haholo metswalle. Utlwile baby Pep, metswalle ya rona e tseba dilo tse ngata.
Tsoko tsa mohatla wa ka.
Empa metswalle ya ka, ke nako ya hore re phomoleng hanyane fela.
Se ke nna tsamaya metswalle.
Eya, re tla be re tshwere ntho tse ngata ha re hutla. Dulang hona moo.
Re tla e bona hona jwale.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Hello again, friends. Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Oh, yeah. Hello again, friends.
We are having such a fun time today. Baby Pep, what do you say we go see what our friend, the Giraffe Scope, has for us today?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, let's go. This is our friend, the Giraffe Scope.
Yippee! Giraffe scope!
We love the Giraffe Scope. When we look through the Giraffe Scope, we can see far, far away. We can look anywhere we want. The Giraffe Scope is very clever. Oh, wow! Look at this place. There are so many books on the shelves. Oh, I know. This place is called a library. That's where you go to get books to read. They have many books that talk about different things. Look at the people reading in the library. They need to keep very quiet, not to disturb the others. I'm sure they have lots of storybooks too. Look at the children listening to the librarian reading them a story. It looks like they're enjoying the story. Wow, what a great library! That was some amazing view we saw today.
Yes, it was, Lolo.
See, I told you the Giraffe Scope could see anything, anywhere, and that was great. Awesome. All done with the Giraffe Scope. Let's put it away and catch it another time.
Twist my tail!
Friends, let's play a game called Odd One Out. I'm going to show you some pictures and you must say which one doesn't go with the rest. Okay, let's start. Which is the odd one out? Ooh, is it this one? Ooh, or is it this one? Oh, how about this one? Yes, this one is the odd one out. Yay! Let's play one last time. Woohoo! Which is the odd one out? Whee! Is it this one? Oh, is it this one? Wow! Or is it this one? Yes, again! This one is the odd one out! You're so good at this! Thank you so twist my tail.
Radio ya rona e se loketse ho bapala pina e monate. Nna le batla ho mamela.
Le nna ke a batla.
Le se le lokile metswalle? Ho lokile, ha re bineng he.
Yippee!
Wa e tseba baby Pep?
Ke a e tseba.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I've sung my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Ya se ka ba monate. Ha re bine hape Senolo.
Ho lokile he baby Pep. Metswalle, le lona etsang le rona.
Halala!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I've sung my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Ke leboha Nolo.
Friends, for you to start reading, you must first know your alphabet. Do you? Ha-ha! Let's see. Apple starts with the letter A, B, or C? A! Oh, yes, that's correct. Apple starts with the letter A. Apple. See, friends? Banana starts with the letter A, B, or C. B. Oh, yes again. Banana starts with the letter B, like banana. Crunchy carrots start with the letter A, B, or C. Oh, it's not A. Oh, it's not B. So it must be C. Carrots start with the letter C. Carrots. I'm so glad you know your ABCs, friends. And thank you for playing with me.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Yippee!
Today, I'm busy helping baby Pep learn the alphabet and how to read them.
Oh, yes! It's fun learning how letters are written and how to read them.
Baby Pep, I have another way that can help you to always remember how the alphabets are written.
Oh, really? Twist my tail.
Would you like to see it?
Yippee!
What about you, friends? Would you like to see? You would? Yay! All right then.
Yay!
This is Thuli, our magic toolbox, and inside it has everything we need to show you how you can make your very own alphabet caterpillar. Let's wake Thuli up. Hello, Thuli. I'd like to make an alphabet caterpillar. Please may I have all the tools and materials I'll need? Excellent. It sounds as if Thuli is ready. Let me reach inside. So, I'll need crayons, a pair of safe scissors, some glue, A3 paper, can't feel anything else, Tuli. Is that all I need? Ah, that's all we need. Let's go make our caterpillar.
Make and do, make and do.
Oh, Lolo, have you got everything?
Yes, I have everything, Baby Bab.
Oh, yippee!
Now I can show you how you can make your very own alphabet caterpillar.
Ho, ho, ho! Yeah!
Let's make it.
Yes, yes, yes!
So first we take our already drawn alphabet caterpillar here.
Oh!
So what we need to do is we need to color everything in.
Oh, what letter is that, Lolo?
This is a B.
Oh, yay! Ba-ba-ba! Baby, baby, ba-ba-ba-ba!
Yes, B for Baby Bab and Bunolo.
Oh, Bonolo!
Baby Bab,
Yes?
can you think of any other word that starts with a B? Can you?
And biscuit.
Ooh. Ooh, I can think of butterfly.
Oh, I love butterfly. Oh.
So friends, once you're done coloring in everything, what you need to do is take a pair of scissors. Remember friends, always ask a parent to help you with scissors because they're very, very sharp. I'm going to cut around and around.
Oh.
Once you've cut everything out, then you'll have a head,
Oh.
the letter A,
Oh.
B,
B.
C,
C.
and D.
D.
Now what we'll need to do is we need to stick all of our alphabets on this piece of paper here. We'll start with the head. Put it up here. Take some glue. Must always be careful with glue because it's very, very sticky.
Oh,
Some glue up here. Up here. And stick it on.
wow.
Then we'll stick all our letters down like that.
Yay.
I've already made my caterpillar here. C,
Oh, A, B, C, D.
well done, Baby Bab.
Oh, like a song, Lolo.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And there you have it, friends, your very own alphabet caterpillar.
Woohoo! Twist my tail. Oh.
Metswalle, ke tshepa hore le thabetse ho bapala le rona tsatsing lena.
Oh, re a leboha haholo ha le bapetse le rona.
Tsatsing lena, re ithutile ka ntho tse ngata tse thabisang haholo.
Eya, ebile re entse ntho tse ngata.
Empa ke nako ya hore re sadise metswalle ya rona jwale.
Oh, motsotswana fela hle.
Ah, o se ke wa tshwenyeha, Baby Bab. Re tla bona metswalle ya rona tsatsing le leng hape.
Ha, wa tshepisa?
Ke a o tshepisa.
Oh, ho lokile. Ke tla bona wena le wena le wena hape.
Salang hantle.
Salang hantle.
Salagate, Samaya Hande, Tossings and goodbye. Until next time we meet again, friends. You'll see time can fly. Hey, aloha and thank you. We've had a good time. Salagate, Samaya
Tsatsing lena inside the Baobab tree, re ithutile ka ho bala le ka di-alphabet. Re ile ra bina pina e monate ya tsona di-alphabet. Giraffe Scope e re bontshitse ntho tse mmakatsang ka mantswe. Ebile re iketseditse alphabet caterpillar ka nako ya make and do. Ka nnete e ne e le letsatsi le monate. Re tjhakeleng hape mona inside the Baobab tree. Ho ne ho le monate ho ba le lona. Salang hantle metswalle.